Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing this gaming headphone and also this Bluetooth headset, both made by Newbie. Now in this case, we're going to first go ahead and start off with the gaming headphones here. Now these are actually $25, you can find them on AliExpress, and the Bluetooth headset here is $30, and you can find that on Newbie's website, and links for both of these products will be down below this video in the description if you want to go pick either of these up. So let's go ahead and begin with actually reviewing the headphones, and I'll go ahead and put up a timestamp somewhere on the screen here of when I'm going to start reviewing this one. And if you want to see just this review on the Bluetooth headset, then go to that time, and that's when I will start this review on the headset here. So let's go ahead and begin with showing you around the box on the gaming headphones. You can see on the front it says Newbie and the model number right there. Nice little picture of what they look like. You can tell here works with a PC or a laptop, PS4, Xbox One, along with Nintendo Switch. And we'll go ahead and be testing it out on my PC. I'll also test it out on my phone just as an audio test. On the side here, I have a label. And not much more for the box, except on the back here we just have some specifications, size of the driver, cable type, audio type, and so on. So let's go and open this up. Looks like you pull on the top here and the box is a little bit messed up, unfortunately, but as long as the product works, I don't really care. And here it is. Looks like in the box we also have a instruction manual here, how to hook it up to your laptop, PC, Xbox One. And there should be PS4 here along with Nintendo Switch. Yeah, PS4. So there it is. Let's go and move the box off to the side, and here is the headphones. Yeah, not bad. They're definitely, they're a bit big, but that's all right. Some people might like that. You can see here the microphone is actually fixed in place. It doesn't move around. Not bad though, they feel pretty solid. Here's the cable. Now this is, let's see here, this green one here is for the headphone port on your PC, and this one here is for the microphone port. And then if you just want to plug this into a, like an iPhone or something like that, you just simply disconnect this little adapter here, and then you could plug this into your phone or whatever, probably your Nintendo Switch too. And then here's the USB to control the lights on the side, and probably also, no, not to give power to the microphone. I believe the microphone doesn't really need power to work. So there it is. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug these up. I'm gonna show you guys the lights. I'm also gonna plug this up to my phone and get to give it a quick little audio test. And I can't really show that off on video because, you know, the headphones, I can't really do that. So I guess I'll be back in a minute though. Alright, so before I hook these up to my phone and see how they sound, I just wanted to show you guys the LED lights here. It's just plugged into a normal USB port. If you wanted these to light up, you could just plug it into, again, a USB port on like the back of your computer. So this is what they look like, and I kind of like that they almost have like a depth effect, kind of. Like the light is more into the headphone, and so is in this little clear lens here is kind of like on the outside. That's the best way I could put it, but it's kind of has like a depth feel to it. It's really weird. You can kind of see it here. Again, I don't really know how to put it, but it's quite nice. Now also, I wanted to point out that these are kind of self-adjusting. So if your head is like a little bit bigger than mine or something, you can actually just put these on and they will adjust on their own just like that. So that is pretty cool. So if you have like a bigger head or something, as you put it on, this can go up or down. So that is really nice. That's not something I've really ever seen on any other gaming headphones or headsets. Normally you would have to, you know, manually slide it out, but with these, does it on its own. So that is pretty nice. So there we are. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hook these up and give them an audio test. Alright, so I went ahead and gave these a listen, and for 25 bucks, they're actually not bad at all. Sound quality overall is pretty good. I had it at full volume. Gets very loud, by the way. And there's no distortion. There's no problem at all. It seemed to have worked very well. bass, there's definitely bass there. I was also playing well, my EQ settings on my phone are set to bass boosted, so maybe it's a little bit more bass than like what you would hear, unless you have that EQ set to, bass boost. But bass was definitely pretty good. Again, got pretty loud, and overall clarity is definitely pretty clear. I could definitely tell what was, being said in the video or the song or something like that. So definitely not bad at all with sound quality. Now, I think mainly the big selling point of this headset is going to be that adjustable band, if you want to call it. Again, you just put this thing over your head and you can pull it down till you like, and then it'll stay there. That is really cool. Again, with typically other headsets, what you would have to do is pull here, and then it would kind of adjust to that and stay like that. But with these, you could just, it pretty much does it by itself. It's really cool. It goes back by itself, goes up by itself. So it's really nice. And also build quality. That's going to be kind of important because you're probably going to be using these a lot. And they seem pretty good. This is pretty soft right here. Again, that's important. You got to make sure they're comfortable. All of this is soft touch materials here. Definitely very nice. And it feels pretty good when it's on your head. This is kind of like a hard rubber material here. Again, it feels solid. It's mostly made of plastic, but it's not, I wouldn't say it's cheap plastic. It feels pretty all right. So again, for 25 bucks, it's definitely not bad. I really like the lights. I also really like that adjustable headband. So definitely not a bad choice if you're wanting to get a cheap pair of gaming headphones. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and open up the newbie Bluetooth headset, and I'm going to go ahead and review that. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so now let's go ahead and unbox and review the Newbie headset. Now again, this is $30 on Newbie's website. Links will be down below the video if you want to go pick this thing up. So let's go and show you around the box first. You can see on the front it says Newbie Bluetooth headset. Maximum talking time 24 hours. Side here, nothing much. We have a label, and that's pretty much it for the box. But on the back here, we just have manufacturer address and stuff like that. Typically something would be chosen here for the color that we got, but there's not in our case. We also have a model number right there. So let's go and open it up. Looks like you pull here, and yep, there it is. In a little carrying case, that's pretty cool. Looks like we actually have some ear plugs. That's pretty nice. Cool. Set that off to the side. And then here is the carrying case and the instruction manual right here. Just going to open this up. And here it is, this little bag right here. Now I'll go ahead and get into the specs and stuff in a little bit here. But there it is. Actually looks really nice. Not bad at all. Also here have a power cord, micro USB. And then the different ear tips stuff. Let's go and open that up. Get it out. And there we are. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I think this is kind of like a, with this plug into the bottom of your phone, and you could kind of use this as like a wired headset. That's interesting. That's kind of cool. Unless you could maybe plug it into the bottom of this or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I'll test that out too, see what it's for. Also here have the different clips and stuff to go into your ear. And the different things here to go into your ear. Take it off of there. So there it is. So what I'm going to do now is give this thing a charge if it needs it. I'm going to go ahead and pair it up to my phone, see how it sounds, and I'll also see what this little wired portion is for. All right, so I went ahead and gave this headset a listen, and it sounds about what I expected it to. Definitely not bad. Obviously, if you get a better fit here, for your ear, it would be a lot better, and this one fit me pretty all right. I didn't try on the other ones, but I'm pretty certain there's probably one here that would fit me a little bit better. Again, really depends on the size of your ear. Now I wanted to point out a couple of the specs actually. So this thing has hands-free and CVC 6.0 noise canceling technology, and while this thing was in your ear, there's only so much noise canceling it can do, since this thing is pretty much mono, so it only goes in one ear and your other ear is open. So Again, there's only so much noise canceling it could do, but I would say it noise canceled a little bit. I could definitely tell a little bit of a difference, so not bad. Also has, again, 24-hour talk time and 60-day standby, so that's really nice. We went over the 24-hour talk time, said that on the front of the box. I would say it was pretty comfortable to wear too. It says that in the listing, it says comfortable to wear. And I would say it pretty much is. Again, it's very lightweight. You can't really even tell it's in your ear very much. You can kind of feel that it's there, but it's definitely not heavy, so it's not uncomfortable at all. You can also adjust the earbud 360 degrees. You also have wide compatibility. Again, it could work on Android. It could work on even the Kindle here. As long as it has Bluetooth, it will more than likely work with that device. Also has Bluetooth 5.0, so very new Bluetooth technology. I think Bluetooth 6.0 is the newest. I might be wrong about that, but it's definitely a very new Bluetooth, so it will work very reliably and has a pretty long distance too, I would assume, since again it's Bluetooth 5.0. So definitely not bad at all. I would say for the price, it is pretty solid. Sounds alright. I played some music on it. It wasn't necessarily loud. You could get it loud if you want. You could definitely tell there's bass there too. I mean, general overall sound quality, it was pretty alright, about what I was expecting out of this, very little tiny device. Also went ahead and called someone, actually one of my friends, and I asked them if they could hear me, and I asked if it was clear and everything, and they were like, yeah, it's clear. So apparently it works pretty decently on calls too, and I could definitely hear them also. I had no problem with that, of course. So definitely pretty clear, at least judging by my friend's opinion. Clear sound quality, again, from the little microphone here. And also I wanted to point out something. This little one earbud here, I was like, what is this thing for? So I actually plugged it into the top here, the micro USB port on the top of here. So if you wanted to, you could actually use this thing as like a stereo headset. I haven't really seen that anywhere else before. Even my mother's Plantronics headset doesn't even have that. Didn't even come in the box or anything. I don't even think it can do that. So that is really cool. That's something I haven't seen anywhere else. You just plug it in. Sorry about that. I actually still had the headset on here, and I went ahead and accidentally pressed the front button here, and that actually stopped the video and it started playing the music. So if you press the little button here, it can start playing music, and pause the music, and I believe also take calls by that button. So again, this thing is something I've never seen. I think that's kind of cool. Of course, it's going to be wired, so it's really up to you if you want to use it or not. I personally wouldn't, but I could see in some cases where it would be helpful. So I would say for $30, it's not a bad choice at all. Definitely a cheaper option compared to the other higher end headsets, and this one seems to be again pretty decent for the price. And it comes with a good amount of accessories here. Again, these little ear hooks here, it comes with what, 3 of them? Yeah, and these are also adjustable, as you can see. They can swivel around 360 degrees. Also comes with the extra ear tips. That's something really nice. Maybe even if this one gets worn out or something, you can just switch it out. Or of course, if this one doesn't fit your ear, you can switch it out too. And this little thing, again, haven't seen that anywhere else, so that's pretty nice. Also like, and of course it comes with the carrying case. Didn't expect this many accessories, so that is a really nice surprise. So I'd say for the price, it's not a bad choice for a cheap headset if you're just wanting to get one and maybe use it for a month or something, or I don't know what the scenario that you guys are going to be having. So again, not a bad choice at all. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.